iPhone 14 Pro action mode. Can this thing handle super shaky situations just like my old GoPro could? Let's find out. Now real quick, to access action mode on this iPhone, just open up the camera. Hi! You'll see a little icon on the top right there. That's action mode. We're just gonna do your average sprint test down the sidewalk. Here we go. That actually looks surprisingly good. Let's take it to the next level. Just riding down the sidewalk. It's pretty shaky. On the road it looks good though. Just biking on the road. Let's try a chest mount. How do you do this again? I think this is really stupid. I mean, the angle's pretty bad, but stabilization-wise, that's actually pretty good. Oh, okay, and that's what happened. Cool. Pretty sure my GoPro is a little more stable than that, but honestly, for being an iPhone and just mounting it on a spring-loaded clip, the stabilization is just fine. I wonder. Oh yeah, I'm noticing that it's smoothing out the pans quite nicely. It's not like a weird. Woo! That's scary. Alright, so will I be using this thing to replace a GoPro? I don't think so. This is the Hero 7, and this is the iPhone 14. This is very old technology, this is very new technology, and they're about the same. I'm getting relatively similar smooth footage out of this thing as I was on this thing. So GoPro's at like what, the Hero 11 or something now, so Apple still has a ways to go before their stabilization can keep up with GoPro's. My personal opinion. Also, why would you want to strap this phone, way more money than this, onto your chest as you fly? That's just dumb. The fact that they're able to stabilize footage out of these iPhones and it looked that good, even just for normal walking and running stuff, it's impressive. Like, kudos to Apple. But you're not gonna replace an action camera. You're just not. Two different cameras, two different purposes. You're never going to be stupid enough to regularly use your iPhone in place of a GoPro. Like what? You're gonna mount this thing to a FPV drone? Like what's next? And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.